Hi guys, property providers here. I just wanted to show you how quick and easy it is to use our new DIY routine inspection program. We are using what's called a type form, which means it is super simple. If you're a tenant at home, this is for your convenience, and I'm going to quickly show you how it's done. We recommend you using either your mobile phone or a tablet like this. However, you can use a PC or laptop. However, you will have to take your imagery in advance. So just to begin, you will be asked a few disclaimers, and then we do explain what a routine inspection is. So for those who don't know, a routine inspection is vital for us as your property managers to have an understanding of the state of the property. This is usually done on a quarterly basis, and it allows us to understand if there's any new maintenance requests you need and just the general upkeep of the property. We then provide feedback to the owner to ensure that we have the best possible opportunity in returning your bond in full at the end of your lease. So to begin, it will ask you if you're a tenant or an owner. So in this case, we're a tenant. A few details from you: first name, last name, some contact details. Once you do fill in this type form, it will automatically send us a notification that has been complete. So once you've submitted it, you don't need to worry about notifying us. Street address, where your property is, and then your type of property. It'll flick through each of the rooms. In this section, it will ask you to provide imagery of each room. So you can click here and take the photo on the spot, or you can go to your photo library if you've pre-taken the images in advance, and you simply upload the living room image and so on and so forth. Add any images of any new damage that might have occurred since the last routine, so that we can keep a record of general wear and tear in your property. At the end of each section, you will have a chance to make comments or provide any extra information for your property manager as it relates to maintenance requests and anything new that's happened in the last 3 months. If you are in a property with a pool or anything extra on the exterior, please continue in this section by uploading the state of that area, whether it be the pool, the spa, etc., and leave your comments. This could be, for example, if the pool isn't maintaining its colour, or if it needs fortnightly cleaning, then this is a good area to let us know that. Completion date lets us know what day you completed it, but we will only receive the type form once you press submit. You will then receive a confirmation email. If you haven't received this email, then you need to go back and resubmit the form. However, your property manager will be notified as soon as this form is submitted. We have created this platform for your convenience, so we do welcome any feedback you may have for us, and we look forward to receiving your routine inspections.